A very good afternoon to you. Some exceptionally windy weather to come as the week wears on, bringing the potential for some disruption. As for the next 24 hours, a good deal of rain expected, some of this wintry in places. Pouring rain across the southern half of Britain, slow to shift in the next hour or so. Behind this, a lot of cloud cover, the best of the brighter skies through northern and eastern Scotland into northeastern England. A bit of a breeze with a fair few blustery showers blowing their way from west to east. A wintry mix across the highest ground of Scotland. Elsewhere, a touch milder given the time of year. That rain easing from all but Greater London, Sussex and Kent as the day wears on. And through the first half of tonight, it stays dry before another batch of wet weather rolls its way from west to east. Much of it long gone come dawn, but staying wet and wintry through the northern half of Scotland. Quite cold here with gusty winds. Elsewhere, breezy and a little drier into the first stages of tomorrow morning. A little chilly across those eastern zones, but generally speaking, frost-free. See you soon. A very good evening to you. A stormy week of weather ahead, exceptionally windy for all of us. And in the meantime, a good deal of wet weather to come. We've got the first of two named storms making an impact across northern Britain through the second half of tomorrow onwards. The strongest gusts of wind with Storm Dudley across parts of Scotland and northern England later tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then the second of those named storms, Eunice, barrelling in from the mid-Atlantic come Friday. This could well bring widespread disruption, wet wintry weather to come and several hours of damaging, potentially dangerous gusts of wind, one to watch as the details unfold in the next 24 hours or so. In the meantime, a good deal of wet weather working its way in from the west tonight. Sleet and snow across the highest ground of northern Scotland. For the rest of us, the rain pulling away into the North Sea come dawn. A little drier by then and very much on the mild side given the time of year, if quite windy, blustery from the word go. Brighter skies across central and eastern zones with a better chance of some morning sunshine. A little more in the way of cloud further west as things go downhill through the latter stages of the day. Soaking and pouring rain across northern and western counties through the afternoon. Awful if you're having to travel. That rain showing little let up with sleet and snow across the highest ground of central Scotland there with the colder air and the winds really ramping up through the afternoon. Widespread gales, damaging gusts of wind will peak across central southern Scotland and northern England in excess of 80 miles an hour here through the latter stages of the day. And together with this, relatively mild, not that we'll notice with so much going on. See you soon. Have a good night.